Polly out here in the backyard. It's been raining most of the day, and I decided I want to cook outside, and dagnabbit, I was determined, so I set up a way to do this, and it's going to happen. Now, why do I have that drain pan thing there? Because it was raining, and there's that F-150. Yeah, I got everything protected. That thing might buckle, I don't know. But I do plan to cook some trout out here in the Polly Detmerd's campground, or the Bushcraft campground of Polly Detmerd's. Now, I did catch the fish that I caught out of Lake Costco, and the license was whatever the price was on that package that I pulled out of that freezer. Alright, I'm gonna let this burn. I want to get this nice and hot in there, and then we'll commence cooking bushcraft style. Alright folks, now it's dark out, but it's way too early to start cooking because the fire is too hot. I'm gonna let that burn down, and we'll get a little cook on here on a Saturday night, January 30th. I'm enjoying myself. Look at this concoction that I made. Look at this. I can't believe it. I went to Walmart and bought all those Ozark Trail things or whatever. But this isn't the way they display it being put out. But that's the way I did it. Oh, I just walked into a tension wire. What I'm going to do is this cinder block, I'm going to cook trout on top of that cinder block. But I'm going to put the cinder block here in the fire pit. Never did it before. Really, it's kind of mocking a version where you use a flat rock and you cook it on the rock, but I don't have no big pieces of flat rock except for the cement flat rock. Let's see how it goes. We'll see how that goes. Still not really level, but I'll get it straightened out. No pun intended. Whew, smoke in my eyes. Smoke in my eyes. Whew, smoke in my mouth. Yeah, that baby's hot. It's hot. She hot. Jeez. Try to stack it up. Whew. Man does not breathe smoke good. Well, some smokers do. Not this one. I'm not a smoker. That's why. We're almost ready for cooking. So I got the brick in there. Oh, look at it. I think there was a spider running around. But anyhow, I got the brick in there. I'm sure it's hot. Put some more oil in there. I'm gonna lay down some trout. See how it goes. Let's take a look at the trout. Caught these beauties at Lake Costco. Looking good. Right here, you're looking at some apple chunks made by Weber. I've been throwing a little bit of that in there. I want to get a little bit of that in the flavor. I don't know if I will, but yeah, let's get one of these on that brick. And I'm going to spray some with two hands, a camera and a light. I'm going to spray some oil on this one. Let's go with the biggest. Let's go a small one. Okay, spray that in there. We're going to lay it down on the line. Pretty good for Lake Costco fish. Pretty good. Okay, here we go. Whew. Smoke. Smoke. Jeez. Yeah, there it is. Let's see if if this works. This is kind of an experimental. I mean, if it was a rock, maybe it'd be better, but it's not a rock. It's a cinder block. So it is definitely raining out here, and I think my little apparatus is working pretty good. I like it. I'm just having fun, seeing what I can do. Let's take a look at this fish. That is hot. That's the problem. It's hot. Ooh, almost lost it. Okay, so taking a little long to cook on the brick, but it is cooking. Should be pretty good. Yeah, folks, always look for the cook with the fat face. You don't want the skinny face cook feeding you. I'm telling you. You're either going to get sick or you're going to starve to death. Trust a fat-faced cook. I'm telling you. It's a beautiful night out here on Saturday. Glasses are dirty. Saturday, 30 January. And all by myself. Little lady's in the house yelling at the Philippine. She hates it when I say that. But she ain't really yelling. She's talking loud so that they can hear her. Let's get back to the fish cook. Oh yeah, see that flesh getting white on the bottom side? It's cooking pretty nicely. Oh yeah, looking good. Little, can't even talk. Little lady likes her trout kind of darkened. Well, I tore off a piece of skin in the back, it looks like. But yeah, I'll tell you what, when it's done, it's done. That's all there is to it. I'll cook the other one on that grate. But I did, from what I see, I was able to cook it on the cinder block to simulate the flat rock. This is fake bushcrafting, folks, at its very best. Alright, so I don't think this brick is hot enough, so I'm going to add, I had to go to the house and steal a shovel from the fireplace, but we're going to add a little heat to inside that cinder block. There's some heat right there. Oh yeah. Hopefully this brick doesn't explode on me. I don't know if cinder blocks will do that. I know some stones, rocks, or whatever, cement, might do that. So I think we got enough under there. I am not going to let this Washington State rain stop me from cooking some trout. I think my little rain shield is working. It's working pretty good. It's raining pretty good. I love this. I love it. I think it's about time to take that trout off the brick. I know it's done. Look at that. Look at that trout. Not pretty because the skin peeled off, but that trout's done. Yes, I do eat it with the head on there. Oh, I'm gonna try the trout here. See it right there? Oh, it's dripping, beautiful, beautiful. The juice is off. Shed some of that wonderful meat off this Lake Costco trout. Cooked to perfection. Little lady could have maybe put a little salt factor in that, but it's good. It is very good. Well, I'm gonna eat more. This one's supposed to be hers, but yeah, that's some great trout from Lake Costco. The little lady's sneaking up on me like a ninja. After I cooked that first trout on the brick, which was very good, I ate it, I grilled another one on this grate over some coals, hot coals, and that's how it came out, and it's looking great. That's how my wife loves it. So, will I do that method again? Probably not. But it was fun. But this is the way I'll go anytime I cook outside ever again. Well, not limited to, but for the lady's sake, this is how I'll do it for her.